Today we're going to be talking about subtracting by multiples of 10. Let's say we have the problem 50 minus 20 equals blank. So we're going to use our base 10 sticks to use this for subtraction. So for the number 50, we'll use 10 sticks. We're going to draw them out, and we're going to do 5 because we're going to look at the tens digit. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we looked at the tens digit and we have 5 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you look at this ones column, it's a 0, which means we don't use any ones. But the ones look like this. But we're not going to be using those because everything will be a 0 that's in the ones place. So we're going to look at the next number, which is 20. Since we're using subtraction, we're not going to draw 20 more, because if we draw 20 more, we have 50 minus 20, but if we take this away, we still have 50. So we wouldn't draw the second number in our problem. So we're gonna take 20 away from 50, or 2 10 sticks, which is 1, 2, and we're gonna cross them out. So we have 3 10 sticks, which also equals 30, since 10 sticks is by 10, so 10, 20, 30. Let's look at the next problem. 60 minus 10 equals blank. We're gonna look at the first number, which is 60, and we're gonna look in the tens column, which is a 6. We're gonna draw 6 10 sticks, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're taking away 10, or 1 10 sticks, because in the tens column it's a 1. So we're going to take 1 10 stick away. Now remember, we wouldn't draw the extra 10 because then our number would still be 60. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 60 minus 10 is 50. The next problem we're going to look at is 90 minus 30 equals blank. We're going to look at the first number, and in the first, or the tens column, is a 9, so we're going to draw 9 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now again, we're not going to draw 30 or 3 10 sticks, because then we would have, if we take that away, we would still have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And we're taking away 30 from 90. So we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, or 10, 20, 30 from 90, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Or if you want to count the sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then add the 0. Whichever way is easier for you. The next problem we're going to look at is 40 minus 20. We would draw 4 10 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, which represents 10, 20, 30, 40. And we're going to take 20 tens away, or 2 10 sticks is what I meant to say. So 1, 2. And now we have 1, 2, add the 0, or you can count 10, 20. So 40 minus 20 is 20. The next problem is 30 minus 10 equals blank. We're going to look at the tens digit, which is a 3. So we're going to draw 3 10 sticks, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to take 1 10 stick away, because in the tens digit it's a 1. So we're going to come down here and take 1 10 stick away, which is 1, 2, add the 0, or 10, 20. So 30 minus 10 is 20. The last problem is 80 minus 40 equals blank. Again, we're going to look at the tens digit for the first number, which is 8. So we're going to make 8 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to take 40 away, or 4 10 sticks away, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, which also is 10, 20, 30, 40. So that's how we get 40 and 40. And 80 minus 40 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Add the 0, or 10, 20, 30, 40. And so 80 minus 40 is 40. Another way students can practice this concept is using manipulatives. So instead of drawing out the 10 sticks, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 440 minus 20, you could use the base 10 sticks and then they could place them out and then take 2 away. 2 technology resources for this skill is Splash Math. This is an app, and the students can go online or use the app to practice this skill. They will choose the grade, and then they can click on the exact skill that they want to practice. And then ABC Ya is a website where the students will also pick the grade that they are in, and then they will create a monster, and then they can go in and practice the skills that they're working on for math, and this is also in there. And the links for those 2 websites will be at the end of this video.